Hi, friends. Welcome back to Path of Glory. This episode is your 5 to 8 minute English shadowing practice. Even if you're busy, yes, even if you're walking, cooking, or lying in bed, you can do this right now. No excuses. You've got 5 minutes, right? That's all you need. This is not just listening. It's speaking practice, so open your mouth and shadow with me. And make sure you watch this video until the very end. Don't pause, don't skip. Stay with me until the end. Let's begin. Today, we're going to talk about your dreams and goals. Everyone has dreams. Everyone has goals. And in this lesson, we'll learn how to talk about them in English. Let's start simple. I have a dream. Now you say it. I have a dream. I have many dreams for my future. Now repeat. I have many dreams for my future. My dream gives me motivation. Now you say it. My dream gives me motivation. Beautiful. Sometimes dreams feel big and far away. Now repeat. Dreams feel big and far away. But every big dream starts with one small step. Now say it. Every big dream starts with one small step. Great job! I have goals that help me move toward my dream. Now repeat. I have goals that help me move toward my dream. Goals are like a map. Now you say it. Goals are like a map. They show me where I'm going. Now repeat. They show me where I'm going. Let's practice some examples together. I want to learn English fluently. Now you say it. I want to learn English fluently. I want to travel around the world. Now repeat. I want to travel around the world. I want to start my own business. Now you say it. I want to start my own business. I want to make my family proud. Now repeat. I want to make my family proud. Excellent! Sometimes the road feels hard. Now you say it. The road feels hard. But I never give up. Now repeat. I never give up. I believe in myself. Now you say it. I believe in myself. Step by step, I will reach my goal. Now repeat. Step by step, I will reach my goal. Very good. Let's try using time expressions. I'm working hard this year. Now you say it. I'm working hard this year. Every day I make progress. Now repeat. Every day I make progress. I set small goals for each week. Now you say it. I set small goals for each week. I celebrate my progress. Now repeat. I celebrate my progress. Wonderful! Now let's add emotion and belief. I know I can do it. Now you say it. I know I can do it. I believe in my dream. Now repeat. I believe in my dream. I trust the process. Now say it. I trust the process. I'm proud of how far I've come. Now you say it. I'm proud of how far I've come. When you talk about your dreams in English, you practice more than words. You practice faith, courage, and vision. So keep going, my friend. Say this with me. I'm walking toward my dreams. Now you say it. I'm walking toward my dreams. I'm building my future. Now repeat. I'm building my future. Every day I get stronger. Now you say it. Every day I get stronger. And one day I will achieve everything I've dreamed of. Now repeat. I will achieve everything I've dreamed of. Amazing work. You just practiced a full conversation about dreams and goals in English. Remember, your words shape your future. Speak with belief. Shadow with confidence. And never stop moving forward. I'm Emmy, and this is Path of Glory. Until next time, keep speaking, keep believing, and keep walking your path of glory. Bye for now.